The mission of Jan Vikas Samiti is to empower the poor and the marginalized through a process of animation leading to integral development and structural change. Oppression of women, deplorable plight of Dalits and tribals, children living in difficult and insecure circumstances, discrimination of persons with disabilities, as well as the disabilities faced by human-made and natural calamities are some of the major issues which prompted Varanasi province of the Indian Missionary Society to establish Jan Vikas Samiti in 1997. India has some 40 to 80 million people with disability, but low literacy, few jobs, and widespread social stigma are making disabled people among the most excluded in India. People with disabilities are less likely to be employed, and families with a disabled member are often worse off than others. JVS thinks with a better education and more access to jobs, people with disabilities can become an integral part of the society. They will be able to help generate higher economic growth that will benefit the country as a whole. Muskaan Daycare Center is therefore an educational initiative by JVS to ensure easy, affordable, and appropriate educational access and social development of the most marginalized children. The very name Muskaan means smile. It stands to inculcate the feeling of positivity and to convey the message that smile is the right of every child despite of its disability. Disability can be turned into ability with efforts, dedication, and positive attitude. The center stands to take care of both physical and social aspects of the mainstreaming of the children with disabilities. These include physiotherapy, medical aid, socialization training, joyful learning, and counseling through home visits. JVS has identified 60 children with severe disabilities who are not able to attend regular education in its working area. Out of these, 15 children from far-off villages are attending Muskaan Daycare Center 3 days a week for their therapy and special educational intervention. The number is less because there are no transport facilities available in the villages. Along with children, mothers and caretakers also attend center and are being provided basic skills to handle their children at home. One of the major challenges to run this center is transport. Villages have no public transport system. Chartered vehicles are beyond affordable reach of poor rural parents. Therefore, JVS is compelled to provide transport facilities. Otherwise, there won't be a regular attendance of children. This can further hamper their development. So Jan Vikas Samiti is requesting for a van to bring children and their mothers to the Muskan Daycare Center for regular therapeutic and educational intervention.